Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Maisel Ampreen Lingdo, our chief guest, has arrived. I request na kerpad ki pajbaru bakiniem kum terdak penpediam smobha yai Madam Ampreen Lingdo, Minister of the Government of Meghalaya. The chief guest will now unfurl the national flag, which will be followed by the national anthem, and I request everyone to keep standing and sing the national anthem. We've just had the Rashtriya salute, and now the parade commander will report to the VIP. Now our chief guest will inspect the 14 marching contingents for this 75th Republic Day celebration at Pyndengrei Playground, Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills District. The chief guest for today's program is Dr. Maisel Ampreen Lingdo, the Honorable Cabinet Minister in the Government of Meghalaya, who oversees the Health and Family Welfare Department, the Law Department, Information and Public Relations, Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Departments. Born on the 5th of May 1965 and a daughter of a prominent statesman, Shri Peter G. Marbanyang, Dr. Maisel Ampreen Lingdo graduated from Jesus and Mary College and later did her post-graduation from Jamia Millia Islamia University, New Delhi, and earned her doctorate degree from our very own Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. Prior to joining active politics, she was a lecturer at St. Anthony's College, Shillong, where she taught mass communications. With a passion to serve the people, Dr. Maisel Ampreen Lingdo has been elected as a member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for 4 consecutive terms from East Shillong constituency, with her debut appearance as an MLA from Jingrakhe constituency in the year 2008. Here in the dais with the other officials. Now the parade commander will take leave of the chief guest. Accompanying the chief guest who will be taking salute 14 marching Indians is Sri Garrett, LSM Dice, IES, the Deputy Commissioner of West Haziels District, Nongstoin, and the Superintendent of Police of Nongstoin, Sri B.D. Marak, IES. And marching on this auspicious day are 14 contingents. The contingents are marching with tunes and melodies played by the St. Peter's Brass Band. St. Peter's Brass Band was founded on the year 1990. On the Independence Day and Republic Day celebrations, the melodies and rhythmic beats since the year 1994 up to this very day. Taking the salute now is the great commander, Inspector Panchai Paha of West Haziels District.
Followed by platoon number 2, led by APSI Commandant Harmony of West Haziels India.
Platoon number 2 taking salute is the 4th NLP Battalion Sopian Nongstoin, led by ABASI Deepak Barwar.
Approaching the dais is platoon number 3, 4th MLP Battalion Sopian Nongstoin, led by ABASI Suresh Singh.
Now is platoon number 4, NCC Nongstoin College, led by Mr. S.R. Maan with a total strength of 27.
Followed by platoon number 5, NCC St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Pyndengrei. And the contingent is being led by Mr. Donald L. Marshall.
Approaching the saluting dais to take the salute is parade contingent number 6 from St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Pyndengrei, Scouts and Guides, led by Mr. Stevenson Malcolm with a total strength of 23. Led by Mr. Boniface Karmau with a total strength of 22. Here taking the salute is Presbyterian Higher Secondary School from Sydney.
Presbyterian High Secondary School.
Approaching the dais is parade contingent number 9, presenting KJP Sinat Sakti Higher Secondary School, Nongstoin. The contingent is led by Miss pyndengrei Nongstoin.
With a total strength of 35, here is St. Francis Higher Secondary School, Sydney, with Mr. Living Star Carlosau as their commander. This is the parade contingent number 10.
Now we have the contingent representing Anderson Higher Secondary School, Nongstoin. The contingent is commanded by Mr. Stephen Marwinian.
And here is parade contingent number 12, St. Peter's Higher Secondary School, Pyndengrei, led by Mr. Barry Evans in Koi, with a total strength of 23.
Taking the salute, here we have contingent number 13, representing JNB Boys, Nongstoin, and is commanded by Meban Sharai K. Musulman. The contingent has a total strength of 27.
Last but not least, parade contingent number 4, with total strength of 27. Led by Miss Haki Bangpinmau Waliam from GNB Girls, Nongstoin. Thank the Honorable Minister, Dr. Maisel Lingdor, for taking the salute, who will be giving us, who will be addressing this gathering a short while from now.
Can we have another round of applause for the resplendent marching contingents leaving the parade ground to the melodious tunes High in Yonder, beautifully rendered by St. Peter's Brass Band. At this juncture, we would like to place on record our gratitude to all the 14 contingents, the brass band under the able bandmaster, Mr. Igines Nongstoin, the parade commander of MLP West Khasi Hills DEF, and also the 2IC of MLP West Khasi Hills